Are you looking for a single-family new construction home in San Mateo, California? Come join me and take a look at these new construction homes where there's two different plans that can work. Now, these homes will start at around $2.9 million, which is going to be a 4-story townhome with this incredible rooftop deck. So you're not going to find any new construction anywhere in the central part of San Mateo County for this price. My name is Spencer, your Bay Area real estate agent, and we've helped over 300 families just like you successfully with their moves in the last couple of years. So let's go take a look at some of these together, and if they may possibly work, I do have a fantastic relationship with these builders so that I can get you in and get you at the best rate possible. Now, reminder, for all new construction homes, I do need to join you for the very first time to be able to get credit and to be able to help you as your buyer's agent. And remember, there's no extra fees or cost with working with me because the builders already know me and they want to do business with me. And usually we get the best deals and best layouts possible because I can do repeat business, whereas individuals, buyers like yourself, won't get anything extra. So before you reach out to them, reach out to me directly. We can go over their move-ins, what floor plan may work for you, the pros and cons, and I can also give you a personal take as to what I think the best options will be depending on your budget. Let's go take a look. Let's first take a look at the outside of these two different layouts. You're going to have two different plans available, Plan 1 and Plan 2. Plan 2 will be a little bit more affordable because it's a little bit smaller at 2,300 square feet, but we're going to take a look at Plan 1 first. This is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-car side-by-side garage that's at 2,565 square feet. Like most of these popular layouts, you're going to see on the bottom level a full bedroom and bathroom, great for guests and in-laws. You have plenty of storage on the first level. As you can see, you're going to have 3 separate closets. One of them goes underneath the staircase. Now, as you move up to the second level, what I like about this layout is that you still got a nice pantry that is next to the powder room. But you can see on that back corner here, you got this whole separate nook or separate office space tucked away, so you're not going to have the disturbance of having too many Zoom calls simultaneously. I love the continuous flow and all the natural light that comes in. And it still has everything that you need. Living room, dining room, kitchen with a beautiful island. Now let's get to the third floor. I like the fact that they have the laundry room on this floor because most of the time people will prefer this layout so they don't have to go all the way down to the first floor to do their laundry. What do you think about that shower style bench? I see it in a lot of homes these days. It's a big favorite of mine. Now for these homes, to give you an idea, these will typically start at about $3.1 million. So be very mindful of that. Even though online they may say starting at 2.77, there is the home site premiums for many of these. There are upgrades, and so the final price is what you see. Now last but not least, for both of them, you do have a rooftop deck, and both of these rooftop decks will be different than one another. So depending on which of these that you like, I like this one a lot because you can see they even have that glass casing on the edge so it gives you even more of that unobstructed view. Now let's go take a look at Plan 2. These actually will start at $2.9 million. Right now, the bottom level is their office space themselves, but you can see it's the same idea, full bedroom, full bathroom. Now to give you some perspective, there is only 44 of these units in the community out of the 156. The HOA dues on these are less. They're at $252 at build out, which includes insurance, landscaping, wall maintenance, parking patrol, and towards the reserves. Here you have a different configuration of the walk-in pantry. Interesting enough, I like this kitchen layout and the pantry a lot more than the other, but the other has a lot more space. And take a look at this. You also have this outdoor balcony deck, which I like a lot. I'd love to hear your opinion. Which of these two layouts you like more? There's a lot of things that I like actually about this cheaper one, about Plan 2. So this could be a fantastic option to be able to get into a newer single family at the $2.9 million mark. Now, as you get into the primary bedroom, you're going to see the closet is inside the bathroom itself. Right, as you can see, it's a walk-in closet on the very back end. So I'd love to get your take. What do you think about that? Do you wish there was more closet space? I think it's okay, but it would be nice to have had another closet in the primary if it was possible. And as we go up to the top, once again, all of these will have a beautiful rooftop deck. And you can see the layout is different. The other one has a nicer setup and it was larger, right? But this is still pretty good because it's still covered by a patio top. All right, so what do you think about these places? If this is of interest, I have to join you for the very first time to be able to get credit, to be able to assist you with your home ownership goals for this new construction. So do not go on your own. Don't even reach out to the website alone. Just reach out to me directly. 408-547-4590. I can get you in, take a look, give you some personal feedback as to what may work for you, or I may also be representing you as your buyer's agent for any other property out in the Bay Area so that you have a trusted advisor every step of the way. Looking forward to see you in the next video.